Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. In continuation of stereochemistry, in lecture 8, we will discuss about geometrical isomers. Isomers resulting from restricted rotation about a double bond, carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-nitrogen double bond, nitrogen-nitrogen double bond, etc. So, due to restricted rotation, geometrical isomers are not mirror image to each other. So these geometrical isomers are also regarded as diastereoisomers. Geometrical isomers which have the same structural formula but differ in the relative arrangement of atoms or groups around the double bond. Geometrical isomers are only possible when each carbon on double bond carries different atoms, group or substituent. See here, on this carbon-carbon double bond, all the substituents are equal. Here on the carbon, 3 substituents are equal. In this carbon 1, 2 substituents are equal. So they will not perform or they will not have geometrical isomer. Whereas in this molecule, this carbon having different substituents and this carbon also having different substituents. Here also we can see, here also in this. So this molecule, this type of molecule will show geometrical isomer. For example, cis-2butene, here methyl group, this both methyl group are cis, means on the same side, so they are cis-2butene. Here on opposite side, so they are referred to as the trans-2butene, and this is trans-2-pentene. Here one methyl group, and on this C2 carbon is the ethyl group. So they both are on opposite sides, so they will refer to as a trans. So these molecules are geometrical isomers. EZ system of nomenclature. E means antigen, opposite. Z means to sum and together. Before we give nomenclature, EZ nomenclature, we have to keep in our mind the priority order of the group. See, this is the priority order of the group, means iodine is more prior to bromine, bromine is more prior to chlorine, like that. For example, in this molecule, on C1 carbon, higher priority group, bromide, and on C2 carbon, higher priority group, fluoride, both are on the same side, means together. So they will be referred to as Jusam and Z. Whereas in this molecule, on C1 carbon, higher priority group, bromide, and C2 carbons, higher priority group, fluoride, both are on opposite sides, means antisun. So it will be nomenclated as the E. In this molecule, iodine is more prior to bromide, and C2 on C2 carbon, fluoride is prior to fluoride. So both higher priority groups of this molecule are on opposite sides, so they will be referred to as a E. Whereas in this molecule, bromide is less prior to iodine, or iodine is more prior to bromide, and on C2 carbon, fluoride is prior to chloride. So both the higher parity groups are on the same side. So on means together, so it will be nomenclated as a Z. In malic acid, this carboxy group are on the same side, so together, so it will be referred to as a Z nomenclature. Whereas in fumaric acid, it is E. Means both carboxylic group, high parity groups are on opposite sides, so they are referred to as a E fumaric acid. This is 2-butane. Means here both high parity groups are on the same side together, so that 2-butane in this molecule E2-butane. EZ nomenclature for geometrical isomers can be given to the more than double bond, more than 2 or 2 double bond. In this molecule, 2,4-hexadiene on C2 carbon. See here, this C2 carbon, higher parity group methyl, and on C3 carbon, higher priority group is this complete group. So both are on opposite sides, so it will be referred to as a 2E. Whereas C4 carbon, now see here, higher parity group methyl and higher parity group this whole group. So both are on the same side, so it will be together, so it will be nomenclated as a Z. In this molecule, high parity group methyl and on C3 carbon, high parity group is this. So both are on the same side, so it will be nomenclated as a 2Z. And on C4 carbon, high parity group, this whole group, and on C5 carbon is methyl. Both are on the same side, so it will be referred to as a 4Z. 2,4-hexadiene. Geometrical isomers of oximes. Oximes are compounds formed by reaction of hydroxylamine on aldehydes and ketones under weakly acidic condition. Acetaldehyde, when reacted with hydroxylamine in acidic media, then we will get acetal oxime. Similarly, benzaldehyde, when it is reacted, we will get acetophenone oxide. Here, carbon-nitrogen double bond. This molecule, nitrogen having lone pair of electron in sp2 orbital. This hydroxy group and lower priority group of carbon are on the same side, then molecule oxime will be referred to as a syn-benzaldehyde oxime. In this C1 carbon's lower priority group hydrogen and nitrogen's hydroxy group both are on opposite sides, then it will be referred to as a anti. In this molecule, higher priority group methyl of this carbon and hydrogen and hydroxy group are both are on the same side, so it will be referred to as a syn. Here, lower priority group of this carbon and the hydroxy group both are on opposite sides, so it will be referred to as a anti. Similarly, in this molecule also we can see this carbon's high parity group phenyl and hydroxy nitrogen's hydroxy group are on opposite sides, or we can say lower parity of carbon methyl group and hydroxy group are on the same side, so it will be referred to as the syn, whereas in this molecule hydroxy group and carbon's lower parity group are on opposite sides, so it will be referred to as the anti. Geometrical isomers of alicyclic compounds. In alicyclic compounds, means cyclic compounds, saturated cyclic compounds, if here this towards the viewer, this side is towards the viewer, and this methyl is represented by a solid base, and this methyl group below the plane is means it is away below the plane is by broken base. So they both are a higher priority group of this carbon 1 and 2 are on opposite sides, so it will be referred to as a trans. For example, 1,2-dimethyl-cyclopropane, both the high parity group on the same side is above the plane, so it will be referred to as a cis, and here both high parity group are on opposite sides, one is above the plane and another is below the plane, then it will be referred to as a trans. In this molecule, 1,2-dicarboxylic acid cyclobutane, this carboxyl group are on the same side, both are above the plane, so it will be nomenclated as a cis, whereas in this molecule, both carboxyl group, high parity groups are on opposite sides, so it will be referred to as a trans. In this cyclopentane molecule, bromide and fluoride both are on the same side above the plane, so it will be referred to as a cis, whereas in this molecule bromide and fluoride are on opposite sides, so it will be referred to as a trans. In cyclohexane, C1 carbon and C2 carbon, 1,2-dimethyl cyclohexane, both the methyl groups are on the same side, so it will be referred to as a cis, and in this trans, methyl group are on opposite sides, one methyl group is above the plane and another methyl group is below the plane, then it will be referred to as a trans. Determination of geometrical isomers. What are the properties made different in their isomerism character? They are physical methods, dipole moment, melting point and boiling point. Take this example, cis 2-butene and trans 2-butene. Dipole moment of cis 2-butene is about 0.3 ct by unit, whereas trans 2-butene having dipole moment 0. Melting point minus 139 degrees centigrade, it is lower, and trans it is higher. Boiling point plus 4 degrees centigrade in cis 2-butene, whereas in trans 1 degree centigrade. Malic acid having melting point 130 degrees centigrade, whereas fumaric acid having melting point 302 degrees centigrade. Chemical method also differentiate cis and trans isomers, geometrical isomers. Malic acid can convert it into malic anhydride at lower temperature, 150 degrees centigrade, compared to fumaric acid, Fumaric acid, when it is cyclized, it requires higher temperature, 300 degrees centigrade, to convert it into malic anhydride. Thank you very much.